Law enforcement is not one of those professions where you can just learn your basic trade craft and then never learn another thing and practice the same way for the next 20 or 30 years. Maybe he takes a chance and waves and
Legal Update, I've been able to use it from all kinds of different perspectives. When I was a young police officer, I looked forward every month to the new version that was going to come out. When I was a police sergeant, it was important to me as a roll call tool to make sure that my men and women were as up to date as they could be on case law.
All those factors are important as to why you have to go read this opinion. Now more so than ever before, people have to be on top of their game. And the game is the case law.
And that will justify the stop according to the Corrales case. Knowing what you're doing, knowing the law helps. It's not just the civil liability. An arrest wasn't made where it could have been made. A case wasn't filed where it could have been filed.
Sergeant arrived at the scene. Officers are supposed to be protected if they are able to articulate that they operated within the law. By detaining her and not allowing her to leave the scene and go get medical care, if they cannot articulate their understanding of the law, her death was caused by that delay. It's a downhill slide from there.
On this program, you have access to a panel of experts in their fields. You've got people who have spent a career as a prosecutor, like me and Richard Christie, people like David Demerjen, who are experts in use of force, Missy O'Lynn, who has spent a career defending law enforcement cases in federal civil rights cases. You couldn't hire that kind of expertise, people like that, to come in and do your roll call training every week, week after week.
To have the ability to bring experts into our own organizations by virtue of this training venue is worth more than I could possibly say.
Too many innocent people depend on you doing the right thing, and the right thing is proper training, and that starts here.